Welcome back to Trainer Heads. It's your boy Steve, and I'm back, and I'm better. It's 2023, and we've got a brand new review today. The Jordan 5 Aqua reimagined. So, the Jordan 5 Aqua reimagined. A little bit of a history on these. This was originally created for Chris Paul and was a player exclusive shoe for Chris Paul. He had his number on the back when he was playing for the Hornets, when they were known as the New Orleans Hornets. He had it right here. And this also pays homage to the Aqua 8s, which are some people's Jordan Grail. To be honest, I think the 7s, 6 and 8s are my favorite silhouettes from Jordan brand. I do like 4s as well, but those ones, they're iconic for me. And this silhouette, as everyone knows, was made famous by Will Smith, by French Prince of Bel-Air, which everyone wanted to get the grapes. And yeah, this colorway is fire. Reminds me of some 80s colorway. This is a real 80s look, 80s vibe. This was Jordan at his heights, these sneakers. So I was quite shocked by the price of these. These were 190. I'm surprised they weren't more than that. Really surprised they weren't more than that. For 190, this is a steal. And yeah, Cook's got these on the sneakers app and one. So yeah. So on touch on the design, as I said, this was a player exclusive colorway for Chris Paul. They've now reimagined it with this and brought him back, and it is also a homage to the Aqua 8s, which are very, very famous Jordan colorway. I love that they have this, the Jordan 5s. The reason why I love this is because I was a Jordan Spizak fan. And the Spizaks that I remember buying, they used to have this. So Spizak is a they took, Spike Lee took homage from different Jordan silhouettes and made it into one shoe. So I always like this lace locker. This locks down the laces. You got aqua blue. You got it's clear plastic. You've got triple M on the tongue. When I say the tongue is padded, this is this was one of Jordan's. Like, it is a lifestyle shoe, but it's definitely a performance Jordan shoe. Like, you could tell that when they made this and designed this shoe at this time, they wanted to make sure Jordan had the best comfort and performance in these shoes. And you can tell that by all the padding on the sides, the padding on the tongue. You also have the yellow coming on this side, on the midsole. You've got that ice aqua sole, which I really, really love. I'm not sure if these glow in the dark, but it gives me that glow in the dark vibe, like it would glow in the dark. And overall, this is a great design. This is a proper summer shoe. I could see it. I could see people in their vintage tees, in their fitted caps, with their low socks, with the shorts, the typical look with these on. Very Fresh Prince of Bel-Air-ish with this colorway. I really, really like it. And yeah, it's a good one for me. So my overall on this, would I cop, rock or drop? This is definitely a cop for me, 100%. This is definitely my cop. I would cop them. I might pick these up later on in the year. I might not get them for retail if they still last, because I'm looking everywhere and they look like they're selling out. So I might get these on a resale. Shocker, I'm not really a resale guy, but this will definitely be on my resale list. That is my Jordan 5 review. Let me know in the comments what you think about them, if you would cop, rock or drop. And yeah, just let me know what you think and feel about this sneaker. I personally love it. I'm quite surprised having it in hand how lovely this shoe is. If you have the chance to get these, definitely I recommend them. Definitely have these in your wardrobe. Definitely one for rotation. So yeah, make sure you follow us on all social media platforms. Make sure you follow us on the TikTok, Trainer Heads at 24/7. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.